Welcome to this video, and in this video I will show you two things. First, I would like to start by creating the chart, and after we have created the chart, I would like to show you how you can quickly format this chart so that it also looks good. So here we got an overview of the yearly sales, and at the top we can see the months of the year, and at the left we can see the different product categories. So we've got drinks, vegetables, fruits, sweets, and bread. So the data shows the total sales per category per month. And to create useful insights, we can create a chart from this table. To do this, we apply three simple steps. The first step is to select all the data we would like to view in the chart. We can simply do this by dragging our mouse from the left upper corner all the way down to the right. Then step 2 is to click on Insert and go to the Charts area over here. Here you can see all the charts that are available within Excel. Then we click on Insert Column or Bar Chart over here. You can choose between the different charts, but we choose this one. And now we have created a simple bar chart. To improve the chart, we can click on it and go to Chart Design. Here we can see a few buttons. The first one is to add chart elements. To provide more information, you can decide to add an axis or a title. Here we add a primary horizontal axis as well as a primary vertical axis. To provide a title, you can simply click and select and choose what you want to have as your title. In this case, we choose sales. As a horizontal axis, we choose months, and now we've got axis titles. Also for the chart title, we can simply click, select, delete, and choose our title. Then we have a few more chart elements we can add. We can, for example, add data labels at different positions. We can add a data table with legend keys or with no legend keys. We can insert error bars and also grid lines. Lastly, we can adjust the legend. The position can be left, top, right, or bottom. In this case, we choose the bottom, and we can also insert a trend line. You can also style your chart by changing colors and using different styles. To do this, you can go over here by change colors and choose what you prefer. Also, there are different chart styles that you can use. By clicking this button, we can see even more chart styles. I personally prefer this one, so I click and now it is adjusted. If you would like to further customize your chart, you can right click on the chart and go to Format Chart area. Here you can find all kind of options to further customize your chart and make final adjustments. Now I would like to show you how you can apply everything we have discussed to quickly create a bar chart. So we select the data, click on Insert and choose our bar chart. We stretch it a little. Then we go over to Add Chart Elements, and I would like to add some axis titles. As well as a chart title. Change it to be sales and the horizontal one to be months. And the title is Sales Analysis. I also would like to have a legend on top. change the style, I go over here, click the button and choose the preferred style. Lastly, I change the colors. Now we have created a good looking bar chart for our sales analysis.